Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to private your Facebook account so no one can search you. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just go ahead and open up our Facebook app, and from here, let's click on the menu icon at the bottom right hand corner, and then let's scroll down a bit and click on the settings and privacy to open up the drop down menu, and click on privacy shortcuts. From here, click on review a few important privacy settings, tap on that, and then let's click on this first box right here that says who can see what you share. So tap on that. Let's click on continue. And then what we can do here is to set all these things to only me. So I'm going to click on this one, set that to only me so that you will be the only one to see your birthday and so on. So just do that for all options if you like. Click on only me and just set the audience to only me for all the information under this if you prefer that way. So click on next right here. From here, you can set it to friends, and then we can also limit the past posts. Click on limit and click on next right here. Next, and then we can click on review another topic, and we can click on how people can find you on Facebook right here. Click on continue. So you can also set this one to friends of friends, so not everyone can send you friend requests. So click on next right here at the bottom right, and you can set this to only me as well so that no one can look you up by your phone number and email address. So click on next. And you can also turn this off. So as you can see, I have my toggle button turned off so that no one can search your profile, your Facebook profile through a search engine. So click on next right here. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.